let's do this. Woo! What an entry. It's also good that the Extreme doesn't have a kickstand at the back for you to bonk stuff on. No, it's all good. Yeah, because you'll bonk it on shit all the time. Ooh, that's kind of, yeah. You took the inside line there. It's always that lower back, you know, when you're bent over all the time. But it's good that these trails are like kind of short and sweet, because you get a little bit of breaks here and there. Whereas like Old Franks feels like it's going on forever. I'm pretty sure if a lot of riders came out to this, they would not be having a good time. This is beyond most people's comprehension. Oh yeah, I can understand that. I just feel my balls slowly expanding right about now. Okay. Oh, nice. Fuck, this suspension is just amazing. Dude, it was butter. Like, not even a conk, you know? Dude, it's unbelievable. Ooh. I can see that. Luckily, all of our pedals clear the left side. So, ooh, that's soft. Whoa! Oh, shit. Oh, I almost ran into you. It's all good. See if I can clear this now. It's all good, no worries. Yeah. I'm right behind you.